What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 Oh yeah, it's September. Ooh. Woohoo! What's up, beautiful people? It's me, Ricky Jones Jr. Of course, I'm here with another video, but honestly, I'm also excited because now we are getting in the time of year that I also love, not just because it's Christmas coming up, not just because Thanksgiving is coming up, but because the cooler weather is coming, and therefore we can grow more things than we could grow in the summertime. Well, it all depends on what you into growing. But nonetheless, we're going to go ahead and get into it because I want to make sure that you have everything that you need to succeed in this here of September month, okay? And so, starting with the vegetables that you can grow, then I'll do herbs, okay? And so, vegetables that you can grow are bush and pole beans. You can grow beets. Oh, beets, ladies and gentlemen. Broccoli, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, collards, corn, cucumber, eggplant, endive, kale, lettuce, mustard, onions, peas, peppers, pumpkins, radish, romaine, sorrel, summer squash, tomatoes, and turnips. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a lineup of fall lineups. Now, it's been since probably February that I listed so many different things. Now, I will say before I tell you what herbs you can grow at this time, the things that I will be growing in the garden this here fall, right? Now we get into the fall season here in sunny Florida. I'll be growing the collards, as you already know, the kale. I'm gonna grow some tomatoes. I'm gonna try them again. Of course, the bush beans. I'm gonna grow some beets. I'm gonna try broccoli again. Why not cauliflower? Of course, carrots. Probably not cabbage because it requires a lot of watering. I did eggplant before. It really didn't grow as I wanted it to. I'm gonna for sure do some cucumber. I may do some corn. Lettuce I'm gonna probably do as well, even in a hydroponic system. I'll probably do that. Some peppers, of course. Might as well do some onions as a root vegetable. I'm of course gonna do some spinach. And we'll go from there, okay? So make sure y'all lock in, stay tuned for those different things that I will be growing. Now, I will try to grow from seed for some, right? Of course, like the carrots and the beets, I'm gonna grow from seed. The onion, of course, from seed. But then I'm gonna try to find like some seedlings for the collards, the kales, and the tomatoes and the peppers, just so they can help grow faster, right? Because growing from seed is a process, okay? And I want to expedite the process to harvesting, okay? And so I'm gonna try to find some seedlings and even some seeds. So definitely make sure y'all come back to the channel because you'll be able to see as I venture out for those. Now let's talk about the herbs, okay? So herb side, we can grow some anise, we can grow some basil, borage, calendula, catnip, chamomile, caraway, chives, cilantro, dill, lavender, lemon bee balm, lemongrass, oregano, parsley, sage, tarragon, thyme, and a yarrow, okay? Now, here it is. At the end of the day, you can always plant wildflowers. Why do I say that? Because those are going to be very beneficial for your bees and your pollinators. So for like your butterflies and your bees, those wildflowers are going to be so superb for them to be able to, do what they do and things like that. Keep them all around in your garden, in your yard, which is what you want. Now, I will say for the herbs, you all know I love companion planting as well. So, of course, I will be companion planting some of my dill, some of the parsley, some of the sage, and the other herbs as well, just to make sure everything commingles and functions and grows the way I want it and also desires for it to do so. So, make sure y'all stay tuned for those videos. And I'll probably even do some, hey, how you doing? Good to see you. All right. Yes, sir. I will most likely do some, some fun things, right? So as y'all know, I'm growing in the ground, raised bed, as well as grow bags and a hydroponic system. So there are 4 ways in which I will be growing the things that I talked about in this video, which is why I'm also excited, right? September is actually the month that I've been waiting for on my gardening endeavors since the beginning of the year, okay? And so walk with me. We're going to have some fun. Yeah, I'm going to do some chicken talk and all those things. But we're going to be doing a lot of gardening this month. And I'm excited to bring you all for the journey. So if you haven't already, if you would, click that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you are aware of when the videos will drop, when I plant and grow the things that we talked about in this video, okay? So that you saw the list. You heard what was said. Now let's get to action, okay? Let me know in the comment section below, what will you be growing in the garden this month? What things are you excited about? What things are you curious about? What things are you nervous about, okay? What will you be growing? What are you excited about? And what are you nervous about? Let us know in the comment section, and we'll encourage and help each other. Until next time, love you all great people. Peace.